Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching my videos. I miss you guys so much, and today I want to share with you guys how I got this background and how I was able to achieve this background, my YouTube background, in a very affordable and cheap way. I'm a very cheap girl, but I like to spend less. I like to save my coins for things that are more important, like makeup. Before I start this video, I want to tell you guys that this video is in collaboration with MVMT. I love that this company sell minimalistic and very simple and really nice accessories. Like, I'm not an accessory type of girl. I don't even wear earrings most of the time. Like, I don't even leave the house with earrings. So the fact that I'm wearing their watches and I'm wearing their sunglasses, it means I really love it. I don't like too much stuff on my body. And I love this brand because they sell really nice quality stuff, and it's not just cheap stuff. You know, it looks like you're wearing designer stuff. And I got so many compliments when I was overseas. When I traveled to Dubai, when I traveled to Nigeria, I had so many compliments and so many good positive remarks about my watch and also the sunglasses that was sent to me as well. I love the fact that this company was started by two broke college students that just decided, like, look, I can't afford a Rolex, but I can make something that is similar and high quality to a Rolex, and that could also look really nice as well for a very affordable price. These accessories start at $70, and it's super affordable for the quality that you're getting. It feels really light, but not too light like it's cheap, but it feels like I'm not wearing anything, but it have a little bit of heaviness to it that I also love. All of the watches are so freaking cute. Like, I could literally buy everything from that website, everything, and this watch like goes with everything, and I love that. And another thing is that I love the accessories are like kind of unisex. Like, your man can wear it, your friends can wear it, and you could wear it as well, and nobody would notice that it's like a man watch or like a female watch. Like, I love that. Like, you could switch accessories with your friends, and I love the fact that you could do that with your sunglasses and also with your watches. That's amazing. All their sunglasses start at $70, handcrafted sunglasses, okay? Made with their hands, okay, for 70 bucks. And also their watches start at $95. Super cheap for the quality that you're getting. It's amazing. Like, this marble watch, I love. Like, I am obsessed with marble, and I could wear this with everything. I don't even want to take it off. I love it. If you want free shipping and free returns, use my link down below and also get some money off while you purchase these accessories. They're bomb. I promise you, you guys know I do not recommend anything on my channel that I don't like. Trust me, I get sent a lot of stuff, and I only mention a few because I have to use it first. I have to make sure it's working for me because I'm really tolerant of stuff. So if it doesn't work for me, it probably will not work for you guys as well. But I love it. It's really nice. Like, I love the accessories. I love it. And yeah, so now let's get to the video. So I'm trying to do something like this in the background. So I'm gonna get these frames. They're about $10. So I'm gonna get two of these. One. And then I'm gonna get two of these. And then I need to find a picture that's gonna go with it. Now the picture instead of buying a picture from here, I could actually just print it out online and just put it inside. Let me see. That's like a sheet of paper. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna print out pictures online. So I think I think two is enough. Yeah, two is enough. So, like, I don't know if I should mix it rose gold and silver or just like leave it like that. I love rose gold. It's my favorite color, so I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. Maybe mix it with the white. Oh, this is so hard. Okay, this is what the white looks like. And this is what the black, definitely not. This is another frame that looks like that, but I love that better. Like, it's so simple and so like edgy. I like that. They have all these frames here, and let's see if we can look for like a cute picture. If not, then I'm just gonna have to print it out online and then just put it inside of them. But if we find a good picture, then that'll be great. If not, then too bad. Ooh, the pictures that I was looking for. They're right here. Okay. I think I'm gonna get... Oh, okay. Oh, they have different types. And I could just switch it. That is really cute. Nice. Okay. This is really nice. Okay, this is a maybe. So instead of buying a big plant, since I'm gonna be moving soon, I decided to get like fake artificial plants instead. These are so cute. But these are like $5, and it's like, I don't feel like it's worth it, but it's cute like that. So I'm gonna probably go to like a container store or like the dollar store and get a cheaper vase for it. I don't know what it calls. They're called something glass, but it's $5, and it's like there's no point of getting that when I can get it for a cheaper price. The thing about IKEA is you got to be really patient, because a couple minutes ago I saw those glasses for like $5, and then I just walked down here and I saw these gray ones for $1.99. So it's this exact same effect. Let me show you guys. It's literally the same thing, but it's just different color. I can spray paint the cup. See? It's even cuter in my opinion like this than with the white vase. And this is like, it looks rubber. I feel like it's rubber. So even if it fall, like it's not gonna cause any like crazy, you know, hazard, rather than like, you know, using a glass. So I prefer these better, and these are way cheaper. So I'm gonna get 3 of these. Make sure there's no dirt inside of them. I don't want to take dirt in my house, so like so. I finally found them. I'm gonna get 2 of these just in case. Okay guys, this is what my YouTube background looks like. As you can see, this is a wallpaper that I got from Bath and Body Works. I've had this fake flowers that I got from Michael's since college. Like I've had it for years, like for a really long time, so this doesn't count. These fake flowers and also this frames and the pictures I got from IKEA, I'm going to show you guys all in the vlog. But this chair, I hand painted this chair. I got this chair from like a thrift store, and it was brown, so I painted it, like I hand painted this chair when I was in college. I've had this chair for a while. This table right here I use for like my makeup tutorials. Is perfect, but it's just a little bit too low for me. Like I'm gonna have like a carpenter like lift it up a little bit, because it's kind of too low and it's kind of like hard for me to film with it. But I use this for when I do my makeup tutorials. And yeah, this is literally what, and if you're curious about what's my setup like, it is my tripod, and then I use a ring light and also a soft box light, or whatever they call these. I don't really know what they call these, but I got them from Amazon. I'm also gonna link all these things down in the description box. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It is so cute. I made sure like I put it right here so that when I'm filming you could also see these things in the background. And then this is what it looks like. This wallpaper was so easy to put on, like, but you need someone to help you though when you put it on this wallpaper, because you probably will mess up and you don't want it to dry before you lay it down on the wall. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and it's so cute to me. I love it, and it's so cheap. Like anyone can do this, and I love it. Guys, don't forget to click the link down in the description box to check out MVMT, and make sure you save some coins on these accessories. Okay, you're bomb. Okay, promise, you're bomb. You're not gonna regret this purchase, I promise you. If you guys have any questions about anything I purchased, in this video and you're confused about it, let me know and I will definitely answer you guys in the comments. I always respond to comments. I'm really interactive in my comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I hit my plug, that's a trollo.